Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session, we are going to understand about the natural rate of unemployment, which many of you have requested in my previous video. So in this session, we will also understand about the types of unemployment, which are very important from the RBI grade B, NABARD grade A and the SEBI grade A's point of view. So before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So here is a question in front of you that was taken from the NABARD grade A phase 1 2018 paper, and the question asks that which of the following given unemployment is caused by a mismatch between the skills that are offered by the worker and the skills that are required by the recruiter. Okay, so you have to tell that which unemployment states about this definition or tells about this kind of statement. So this you will surely be able to answer by the end of the session. Now starting with the natural rate of unemployment. What this natural rate of unemployment is. See how much developed your economy is, how much developed or advanced your country is. Still there will be some level of unemployment prevalent in the economy, and that is the natural rate of unemployment. Okay, so it is that the jobs available in the economy will be equal to the unemployed workers. That is, if there are 100 unemployed workers, there will be jobs available equal to the 100. Okay, why are these people unemployed when the jobs are available in the economy? That is because of the frictional and the structural reasons, or we can say that is because of the frictional and structural unemployment. So what this frictional and structural unemployment is? See, frictional unemployment is a type of unemployment that arises when workers are searching for new jobs. That is, if a worker has just entered the labor market. Okay, it is the first time that he has entered the labor market and he's searching for the job for the first time. Then it will take some time for him to search the job, maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month. So that time period, he is unemployed for that time period. Similarly, when you are transitioning from one job to another, maybe you are not satisfied with your job and that's why you have left the job and you are trying to search for a new job. Again, this will take some time. So for that time period, for that gap, you become unemployed, and that is the frictional unemployment, which we can also call voluntary unemployment or the search unemployment. That is for that time period where you have entered the labor market and you are not getting the job, you are searching for the job. Or the other one, that is you are transitioning from one job to another. For that time period, you are unemployed. The jobs are available, so you will surely get the job, any job, but still for that time period in which you are searching for the jobs, you are unemployed. This happens because of the lack of market information, where to send your resume, which companies need the skills that you have. That is you do not have the complete information about the market, you do not have the complete information about the industry. So that's why the frictional unemployment happens. I hope you have understood very easy. Just the time period in which you are searching for the job, that is the frictional unemployment. So next is the structural unemployment. It refers to the mismatch of the skills that is needed by the company and the worker has. So there is a mismatch. For example, take the example of the typewriting industry. The skills related to the typewriting industry became obsolete when the computer revolution happened. When the computer revolution happened, the skills were, now the typewriters were replaced by the computers. So the skills that the workers had about the typewriting, okay, the typewriting skills that the workers had became obsolete and the workers became unemployed that had the skills of the typewriting. Okay, then there were the need for the skills, there were need for the workers that had the skills for the computer, about the computer. So there was the increase in job availability in the computer industry or related to the computer. So these unemployed people have just to change their skills, have to gain the new skill set related to the computer, and they can easily get the jobs. So distinguishing feature of the structural unemployment is that the unemployed workers lack the skills that are required by the expanding or the growing industries. So they just have to change their skill set from the obsolete industries or from the obsolete technology to the new growing technology. That's it. So this is the structural unemployment. The jobs are available, they just have to change their skill set. So now natural rate of unemployment is the unemployment that does not go away in the long run. How many companies you set up, how many companies you build, but still there will be the unemployment in the long run. That is the natural rate of unemployment. And this is the combination of the frictional unemployment and the structural unemployment. Okay, this is the sum of the frictional structural unemployment. That is, there will be always people that are not satisfied with their job, that are changing their job. So they are the unemployed. Frictional unemployment is there. Or the new workers that are coming into the industry for the first time and they are trying to search for the job. That is frictional unemployment. Or there is always the technological progress that is happening, or the change in demand, change in preference of the people are happening. So some industries are going up, some industries are going down. So there must be shift in the skills of the people when the technology progresses, when the demand changes. So for that also there is structural unemployment. Okay, the people will get the job when they get the new skills. The natural rate of unemployment is also called the full employment, because the jobs are available for all, and all can, now there can be full employment for all the people. Okay, the natural rate of unemployment is without cyclical unemployment. Now what this cyclical unemployment is, we will understand in the next session. Okay, and in the next session we will also understand about the disguised unemployment, the seasonal, and the other types of unemployment that are relevant from the exam point of view. So this was all about the natural rate of unemployment, the frictional and structural unemployment. We also summarized the natural rate of unemployment in the 3 points that you need to remember. Some of the frictional and structural unemployment. Long run natural rate of unemployment is prevalent in the long run, and it is the full employment, as well as it is without the cyclical unemployment. That is the extra point. Now, which of the following given unemployment is caused by a mismatch between the skills that are offered by the worker and the skills that are required by the recruiter? You must know the answer now. That is the structural unemployment. Okay. So now we come to the end. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you very much.